Hey friends, Joy Cakebeak here. Hope you are doing well. Wanted to quickly hop on because I know we're kind of starting to switch gears and think about the new year and resolutions and getting in shape and different things like that. So before you go out and buy a bunch of new athletic wear, I want to show you how I simply, safely, easily do a deep clean on my sports bras, tank tops, things that I'm using regularly and wearing regularly at the gym because yeah, they do get a little funky sometimes, don't they? So I use our Norwex Microfiber Cleaner / Laundry Booster. So I'm using it as a microfiber cleaner right now. So essentially that means that I'm doing a deep clean. And so what I did is I put some items in a sink and I added a scoop of the microfiber cleaner. And it comes with a scooper in there. So this is what it would look like. I put 1 scoop. I use as hot of water as that comes out of my tap as possible. And then I put my items in there and I let it soak. So this has probably been soaking for a good 45 minutes. I like to give it a good amount of time so that way when I come back to it, I can put my hands in there and it's not going to burn my hands. So, hey there, hello. So basically what I have in here, I've got like a sports bra in here. I've got a tank top. I've got our active towel. This is our small active towel. This is really great if you do any hot workouts. If you live in an area where you're doing something and you sweat a lot, or if you do hot yoga or go to Hot Works or any of those types of places, it really absorbs the sweat very easily and is super soft on your skin. But then I also put in some of my microfiber, like my body cloth, my exfoliating facial mitt. I've got a back scrubber in here. So I just let this stuff soak a good amount of time. Like I said, this has probably been in there for about 45 minutes. And basically what it does is it removes and strips away all that excess oil, all the minerals from your water that can kind of get stuck into the fibers of your clothes. It really removes all that stuff and it's going to leave your fabrics feeling super, super soft. I like this also because it's going to extend the life of your fabrics and help them keep their shape as well. So then the things that you're wearing regularly for workout gear will last you a longer time. Some people like to do this method as well to just strip away the excess laundry detergent buildup. So if you're not using a Norwex laundry detergent, you're using maybe a regular detergent, there's a ton of fillers in there that never really fully rinse away, and that can create a lot of buildup in the fibers of your clothes. And so over time, then it will affect the wear of your clothes. They'll start to lose their shape really, really quickly. You'll find that they maybe start to feel stiff and uncomfortable. So a Norwex detergent is always recommended, but this microfiber cleaner is for the deep clean. And you can see this is the water that came right out of that sink. You can see all of that buildup. So that stuff has just been soaking in there and it's really working beautifully to get all of that gunk out of the items. I'm going to put this behind here. Maybe you can see with the white behind it, you can see a little bit better how murky and icky that water is. So once I'm done with this, once I'm done with the soap, I will just drain the water. And then I would give it a good rinse, and then I would just go ahead and launder the items. But that microfiber cleaner is just used as needed, maybe every 2 to 3 months for a deep clean on anything that you feel like your kitchen cloths and towels and things that are getting mucky and icky and used all the time. You can go ahead and do that. I use it for my microfiber. So I have a couple cloths here that I could have thrown in there, but I was trying to keep it more like my athletic wear and my personal body cloths and things like that. I try to separate those things instead of putting kitchen things together with body things. So just a personal preference, I guess. But you can also use it as a laundry booster. So let's say that you have like bed sheets or big bath towels that really need a nice deep clean. You can soak them in a tub if you want to, but a lot of times that can be a bit of a hassle. So instead what you can do is just run your load of laundry, use your laundry detergent, and then throw a couple of scoops of this right into the washing machine. And that will help to, again, break down those excess oils, soften things, remove that mineral buildup that's in those fibers, and your things are just going to feel so much better and so much softer. And then all of this when it goes down the drain, it's safe for our waterways. You're never adding anything into the ground or into the earth that is potentially hazardous or harmful. You're never using anything that you're putting on your skin that's hazardous or harmful as well. So it's a really safe, effective formula. And then when you use a Norwex detergent, that's exact same kind of concept. It's safe not only just for your fabrics and for your skin and for your body, it's safe for our waterways, and it's better for your machine. You're getting less buildup in your machine, so your machine lasts longer. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'm always happy to help. And my website is cleanbyjoy.com in case you're curious about checking those things out. And I also have a VIP customer group. So even if you're not a customer of mine yet, you can still take a look at that group. And I do a lot of demos and different things in there where you can learn how to safely and effectively clean your things without introducing yourself to any of those harmful toxic chemicals. Hey there, hello. You're just joining me at the very tail end, so I'm going to go ahead and finish this up, and then you can go back and watch the replay. But I thank you for joining.